Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm going to show you how to set the alarm in the Motorola Edge 30 Neo. To set the alarm, slide up and search for a clock application. There is a clock, and on the downs here there is sorry, my autofocus is lost. There is a alarm here. So click on the plus and set the time which you want to set the alarm. That's it. Set the day which you want to make alarm already. You can vibrate or not. You can choose the sound of your alarm. This alarm is very bad. This is much better. And that's it. The alarm is already been enabled. If you want, you can disable it by clicking on it. As you see, I have the other of alarms already done here. So that's it, all about the alarms. So I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!